Assalamu alaikum. Would you trust an AI that hallucinates diagnosis? Blockchain's fixing that. AI biases hide in the shadows. Unverified training data. Unlocked model changes. Hidden biases result dangerous untraceable errors. Entire blockchain's trusted. Provenance hash locked data. Visioning immutable updates. Auditing automated bias checks. Picture Cancer AI. Every scan on chain. Model updates are permanent. Bias alerts are flagged instantly. This isn't just healthcare. Fair loans, biased hiring, credible news. Blockchain equal verifiable AI. Don't ask AI to be perfect. Ask, can we verify it?